What if I told you the money you're trading right now could either be completely halal or dangerously close to gambling? And the scary part is, most people don't even know the difference. Right now, millions of Muslims around the world are buying and selling crypto every single day, chasing profits, watching charts, feeling that rush when prices go up, and that fear when everything crashes. But here's the real question no one is answering clearly. Is crypto trading actually halal, or is it just a modern form of gambling in disguise? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will see crypto trading in a way you've never seen before. And if you care about earning halal income in the modern world, subscribe to Math of Islam right now, because we break down money, math, and faith in a way that actually makes sense. Now let's start with something simple. Crypto itself, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, is not automatically haram. That might surprise you. Many scholars agree that digital assets can be halal because they have value, they can be owned, and they can be transferred without interest. There's no bank controlling it, no riba built into the system. So at its core, crypto is just like any other asset. But here's where things start to change. The problem is not always the asset. The problem is how you use it. Let me explain. Imagine two people. The first person buys crypto, studies the market, understands the risks, and invests for the long term. They are patient, they don't panic, and they treat it like owning a real asset. Now imagine the second person. They open an app, see a coin trending, buy instantly, watch it go up, feel excited, then panic sell when it drops. Then they jump into another coin, trying to win back losses. No strategy, no understanding, just emotions. Now ask yourself honestly, which one sounds closer to gambling? Because in Islam, gambling isn't just about casinos or cards. It's about uncertainty, speculation, and chasing quick profit without real value. This is what scholars call Gharar. And when trading becomes driven by pure chance, hype, and emotional decisions, it starts to look very similar to gambling. Now here's something even deeper. Think about leverage trading. This is where things get really dangerous. Leverage means you're borrowing money to trade bigger positions. So instead of using your own $100, you control $1,000 or even $10,000. Sounds powerful, right? But here's the reality. A small price movement can wipe out your entire position in seconds, and most platforms charge fees that act very similar to interest. Now combine that with high risk and fast decision-making, and what do you get? A system where people are not investing. They are betting. And that's where many scholars draw a clear line. Because Islam doesn't just look at what you earn, it looks at how you earn it. Now here's the part most people ignore. Your intention matters. If you enter crypto thinking, I'm going to double my money fast, I just need one lucky trade, I'll go all in and hope it pumps, then you're not investing anymore. You're gambling with your future. But if your mindset is, I will study, I will manage risk, I will invest only what I can afford to lose, then your approach becomes completely different. This is where discipline separates halal from haram behavior. And here's something powerful to think about. In Islam, wealth is not supposed to come from randomness. It's supposed to come from effort, knowledge, patience, and real value. So the question is not just, is crypto halal? The real question is your behavior in crypto halal? Because the same tool can be used in two completely different ways. Now let's talk about something that will change how you see trading forever. Emotion. Every trader feels it. Fear when the market drops, greed when the market rises, excitement when you're winning, panic when you're losing. But here's the truth. The more emotional your trading becomes, the closer it moves towards gambling. Because gambling is emotional by nature. It's fast, it's addictive, it's unpredictable, and it keeps you hooked. Sound familiar? That's why many people in crypto don't just lose money, they lose control. They keep trading even when they know they should stop. They chase losses, they ignore logic. And this is exactly what Islam warns against. Now I want you to think about your own behavior for a moment. Be honest with yourself. Do you check prices constantly? Do you feel stressed when the market moves? Do you make quick decisions without thinking? If yes, then it's time to pause. Because halal earning is not just about profit, it's about peace. If your income source is giving you anxiety, addiction, and emotional instability, that's a red flag. Now let's balance this with something important. Crypto trading is not automatically haram, but high-risk, impulsive, speculative trading, especially with leverage, moves very close to gambling territory, and that's where caution becomes necessary. So what's the safe path? First, avoid leverage. Second, avoid hype-based decisions. Third, invest only what you truly own. Fourth, focus on long-term value, not short-term excitement. And most importantly, control your emotions. Because once emotions take over, logic disappears. And when logic disappears, risk turns into gambling. Now here's a question I want you to answer in the comments. Do you think most crypto traders today are investing or gambling? I really want to hear your perspective. And if this video made you see crypto in a new way, share it with someone who is trading right now, because they might need to hear this. At the end of the day, Islam doesn't stop you from growing wealth. It guides you to grow it the right way, with balance, with awareness, and with responsibility.
Because real success is not just about making money, it's about making money that brings baraka into your life. And that changes everything.